Clearing water from your regulator is one of the most important skills for new divers. It's easy for you to master, and there are two easy methods for you to choose from. First is the exhalation method. When you're ready, take a breath in. With your right hand, remove the regulator. Blow a constant stream of small bubbles, because the most important rule of scuba diving is to never hold your breath. Keep the mouthpiece of the regulator facing down. This will prevent a free flow. Place the regulator back in your mouth and strongly exhale, blasting air through the regulator. The water will clear and you can resume normal breathing. Method number 2 is the purge button method. Repeat the steps for method 1. Remember to keep blowing bubbles and to keep the mouthpiece of the regulator facing down. Replace the regulator in your mouth and press the purge button on the front of the regulator. Breathe in and resume normal breathing. Choose the method that you prefer.